What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be dialing in the McLaren. In the other videos I mentioned that this car is used and the previous owner put a wrap on the car, and unfortunately when they were removing the wrap there was some residue left over. Because of that, I'm going to use a clay bar on the paint to remove the residue and then follow it with a polish and then a ceramic coating. This isn't going to be an instructional video, it's just going to be a cinematic video of just showing y'all the steps that I'm going to take to get this car looking as perfect as possible. So I hope y'all like it. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started on decontaminating the car and removing any previous waxes. Now that we've got the car pulled in, it's time to start the polishing process. The first step is gonna be to clay bar the car. So let me show y'all why we need to do this. So let's go ahead, take a look at this part of the car. You can see that there's a color difference from here to here. This side is a bit darker than this side. And the reason for that is because there's some sort of adhesive left after the wrap was removed. So you can actually hear the paint. So not only can you feel the roughness in the paint, but you can also see all the stuff that's left over. So what we're gonna do is take a clay bar and go over the entire car, give it a nice clay, and then hopefully after that, the paint will actually be smooth. Okay guys, so we're a few hours into the claying process and I just wanted to pause and show you why this car is taking me so long to do. So if we look here, this is an area that I've already clayed, and if you listen, pretty much no sound from the paint. Now if we go over here and listen, you can hear just how bad it actually is. And so this whole area is taking me super long to clay. The entire car is pretty much covered in something just like this in most areas.